Hello everyone, my name is Nabil. I'm from Malta and this is my StuDoSMC, my final cs50 project. It is a web interface to entice students at my school to take on jobs and projects posted by teachers, as well as upload their best notes to be shared with colleagues. Students collect reward points when jobs and projects have been completed or when other students download their notes. Students can redeem gifts using the reward points from the gift shop. Here's the main landing page, and you can create accounts as a student or a teacher. So I'm going to log in as a student that is already registered, and as you can see on the portfolio, there are no active jobs or projects that the student took so far. So in this case, Sandra has 7 points and she can browse all the jobs that are here. So let's say she can take any job. So let's take this job. And if she clicks on projects, so she can take any project. Let's take this one. And now let's go to notes. So here you can have a look at all the notes. You can upload notes. And in this case, we can see that Sandra on the 23rd, she actually uploaded the science notes. And under gifts, she can actually redeem any gifts using her points. So she has 7. She cannot take any of these since she doesn't have enough points. Now let me log in as the first teacher that she took jobs from. So now you can see that there's Sandra that took that project and she can change the status. So let's put it approved in this case. And then let's go to the other teacher. Her name was Maria. And here now under projects, we should see that there's a project taken by Sandra. So she's going to say complete in this case. So she can award the points to Sandra. Also, let me do one last thing. Let's log in as another student. And in this case, the student is going to download. So here, as you can see, it was downloaded. And now if we go back to Sandra, we should see that her points have changed. And now she has 23 points. And now she will be able to redeem any gift she likes. So let's take this one here. And as you can see, the quantity decreased by 1. And now she has a code to collect from the reception. Her points decreased also by 10. And now if I log in again as any teacher, I would be able to go to the collection and have, now we know that Sandra claimed a notebook and that's the code so she can collect it. I hope you liked my project, and this was CS50.